Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide pattern line in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, I lock my phone and try to unlock. And while unlocking, it will asking my pattern and I draw pattern. While drawing pattern, that tracking line is visible. So what pattern I used can be clearly visible to public. Nearby people or friend or relatives can easily identify you. Okay, so to avoid this, to make them somewhat difficult, then go to these settings and hide that pattern line. Okay, so go to settings, then go to lock screen and go to secure lock settings and give your pattern for authentication and confirmation. And now see here, make pattern visible is turned on, so that only it is visible. Now you go to turn it off, so that now it will not be visible. So okay, now I lock my phone and try to unlock. And while unlocking, while drawing my pattern, it's not, line is not visible. Okay, so drawing line is not visible, and people nearby you will be very much confused and they cannot identify your pattern. Okay, in this way you can easily make pattern invisible in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.